Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the inaugural Marcum MicroCap conference here in New York City, 2012. With me, Mr. Peter Boni of Safeguard Scientific, symbol SFE. Welcome to SNNLive.
Thanks, Shelley. I appreciate being on.
You know, I know Safeguard for so many years. It's so good to have you on SNN. But for those people who aren't comfortably aware of the knowledge of Safeguard, please tell us.
Safeguard is a catalyst to build terrific companies. The company has a 59-year heritage, being on the New York Stock Exchange for actually 40 of those 59 years. Business model is deploying capital in new and interesting situations, building value, realizing the value with a well-timed exit. Over the last number of years, Safeguard has put over $1 billion to work in hundreds of companies. Novell, Cambridge Technology Partners, Canbay, DocuCorp, QVC, Internet Capital.
We don't have enough time. You know, you guys have. Go ahead, give a few more.
It's made a lot of money for its shareholders.
Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, let me just say, go to the website. Please give the website.
www.safeguard.com.
Now, they have a lot of the companies that you funded posted right on the website.
Absolutely.
And it's under sectors. So they're sector agnostic. I don't mean to steal your thunder. Please continue.
Safeguard today is involved in two major sectors of the economy: technology and life sciences. They tend to be counter-cyclical. If the driver of our economic engine is build value in a business and realize it with a well-timed exit, why be tilted in any one area if we can have some balance?
So now this is going to be an interesting for our audience, especially CEOs of public and private companies. What do you look for in a CEO of a company that's coming to Safeguard?
What do we look for in a CEO? Strategic vision and a passion around his value proposition, number one. Focus, number two. And number three, just surrounding himself with really good people. So passion, focus, and people.
We're from the same school, you know. So, when it comes time for people to come to Safeguard, why are they coming to Safeguard?
Safeguard is much more than a venture capitalist. We provide not only financial support, but we provide operational support services. Our deal principals have C-level experience in the domains of technology and life sciences. They've been CEOs, CFOs, CMOs. You'll never get some case study they read in business school as guidance. You'll get hard knocks of experience and scars on their back. The operational support services to help a company go and grow. We won't fish for you forever, but we'll help you, we'll teach you how to fish.
So, let's figure out what is your sweet spot. Public companies, private companies, they're looking for $5 million, for $10 million. You know, just give us an idea.
Good question. $5 to $25 million per company is the capital we look to deploy. We're agnostic. If we can get a significant equity stake in a public company versus a private company, we'll do that.
So you got to understand, folks, this isn't just your ordinary venture capital. They've been doing this for years. Sophisticated or not, they're willing to talk with you and tell them where you're located.
Many people compare Safeguard to a venture capitalist. We're a lot different. From an entrepreneur's vantage point, this is our capital. It's not limited partners capital. We have a lot more patience built into our model as opposed to forcing an exit to do a premature exit to return capital to limited partners every few years. Much more patience. From a shareholder's vantage point, you can put in a little bit or a lot. You can get in or out at any time, and there's all that transparency with New York Stock Exchange governance. So a significant difference in our model.
So a lot of companies try to be Safeguard, but we have Safeguard here. So ladies and gentlemen, go to the website one more time.
www.safeguard.com.
This is Peter Boni. Contact him or his staff because you're busy, and I know you've got a lot of guys there and women that are there to help these companies come to you. And I guess it's a business plan submission, right? Is that the general?
It's all available on the website. It'll tell you how to do it.
Excellent. Ladies and gentlemen, Peter Boni, Safeguard Scientific Symbol, SFE on the New York, and we are here at the inaugural Marcum MicroCap Conference right here in New York City 2012. Peter, I want to thank you.
Thanks, Shelley.
And give my regards to Pete.
I will. Thanks again.